accidentally, well, no, we intentionally made a hole in the floor. Oh, yeah. It's a good place to like have maintenance.
So last week, Erin spent all weekend getting all the screws out and then tried to pull the floor up, but the floor would not come up. We couldn't get any leverage. And so I came in and used a circular saw and cut these lines right here that I'm now filling in to try and be able to pry the wood up with. It turns out that there is no metal floor underneath this piece of wood. This is it. This is the floor. And so now we are repairing all of our errors.
So we siliconed down these pieces of wood that were once pulled up. And
that's how we found out there was no wood metal underneath the floor?
Correct. And now we're going to fill all of the holes with some plastic wood, and we'll go ahead and just put the insulation on.
Herb's caulking the holes while I'm filling these ones.
Taking off the fuzzies on the roof. Are the fuzzies?
Ooh.
You want me to say something to the camera?
Paint scraper, brush cleaner.